Hello everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home, and I hope you all have enjoyed your vacation properly. So, my dear students, do you know me? Who am I? Yes, I'm your new English teacher, Khushbu Miss. I'm taking your English and grammar, and welcome to the fourth standard. So, from today, we are going to start our new journey of this year. Okay, so let's begin with the bridge course assignment. So, what is bridge course? First of all, why we are making bridge? What is the use of bridge? Do you know that? Why we are making bridge? Because we need bridge to go from one place to another. Have you observed any time where we need to make a bridge? Where the river is there, or the sea, or the mountains, right? So, like at that place, we can't go by swim. If there is a river or a sea, so we can't go at the next point by swimming. That's why we are making a bridge. So, what is the need to give you bridge course assignment? Because this bridge can lead to the fourth standard. You are in the third standard. So, in vacation, you can do preparations for the fourth standard. This is the bridge to come in the fourth standard from the third. That's why it is called bridge course assignment. Right? These bridge course assignments helps you to come from the third to the fourth standard. Okay? So, I hope you all have submitted bridge course assignment on time. And today we are going to revise bridge course assignment of grammar or English. Okay? So, I hope you all are ready with your assignment or your rough book. So, today just we are going to discuss the assignment. In the next lecture, I am going to give you all the answers. Okay? So, let's see. So, this is the bridge course assignment which is given to you, which is sent to you by your teacher Sunny sir, right? So, from today onwards, you are going to studying with me. Okay? So, first of all, here you have to fill up all your details. Okay? So, as we are going to do revision, that's already you have completed, right? So, question 1, fill in the blanks with collective nouns. Fill in the blanks with collective nouns. Now, my dear students, anybody can tell me what is collective nouns? What is collective nouns? First of all, do you remember that what is noun? What is noun? Noun is the name of any person, place, animal, or thing. Noun is the name of any person, place, animal, or thing. So, what is collective noun? Collective noun means a word which we are using for the group of something or anything. Collective noun means a noun or a word which we are using for a group of something. Right? So, for example, audience. So, audience means a group of people. Right? Audience means a group of people. Team. Team means group of players. Team, team means group of players. Bunch. Bunch means group of something, for example, bunch of grapes, right? Bunch of bananas. Army means group of soldiers. Group of soldiers called army. Collection. Collection means group of some collective things. For example, old coins, old stamps, that is called collections. Beautiful paintings, right? That is called collection. Then class. Class is a group of students, right? Class is a group of students. Okay. So, let's solve all the fill in the blanks. So, I hope you all are ready and giving answers. Okay. So, let's see. First of all, you have already written these assignments that I know very well. So, those who have already written, they have to write this assignment in rough book. Okay? I'm going to dictate each and everything. You have to write with me. Okay? First, we will write all the questions of fill in the blanks. Then, we are going to write answers one by one. Okay? Let's start. Number one. I have a a good dash of coins. Number one, I have a good dash of coins. So, what is the answer? Yes, as I told you, the answer is collection. Now, write with me collection. I have a good collection of coins. I have a good collection of coins. Number two, the dash has the dash has soldiers and commander. The dash has soldiers and commander. Answer is army. Answer is army. The army has soldiers and commander. The army has soldiers and commander. Number three, the dash was very happy on their victory. The dash was very happy on their victory. So, what should be the answer? Answer is audience or the team. What I told you about team? A group of players called team. So, answer is team. The team was very happy on their victory. The team was very happy on their victory. Number 4. This dash consist consist of of 36 students. This dash consists of 36 students. So, two options are left now. One is audience and another one is class. Audience and class. So, which should be the correct answer? Audience or the class? Which should be the correct answer? Audience or the class? Yes. The correct answer is class. The correct answer is class. This class consists of 36 students. This class consists of 36 students. Number 5. My mother bought a dash grapes. The answer is bunch. My mother bought a bunch grapes. My mother bought a bunch of grapes. Right? So, my dear students, now I am repeating all the answers. Okay? So, if anything is incomplete, you can write properly. Number 1, I have a good collection of coins. I have a good collection of coins. Number 2, the army has soldiers and commander. The army has soldiers and commander. The army has soldiers and commander. Number 3, the dash was very happy on their victory. The dash was very happy on their victory. Answer is team. The team was very happy on their victory. The team was very happy on their victory. Number 4, this class consists of 36 students. This class consists of 36 students. And number 5, my mother bought a bunch of grapes. My mother bought a bunch of grapes. So, my dear students, now I am giving you time to check these FBs in your book or assignment. If anything is left, you can write it. Okay? So now, I hope you all have completed this. So let's move to the next question, that is question number 2. That is question number 2. Okay. So question number 2 is, write the past tense form of the following verbs. Write the past tense form of the following verbs. So first of all, what is past tense? Do you know that? What is past tense? Past tense means a time which is passed away. Time which is passed away. That is called past tense. That is called past tense. So, let's see the past tense form. As I told you, today we are going to do orally. And afterwards, we are going to see the answers. Okay? Eat. So, for the eat, the past tense is ate. A-T-E. Ate. Eat. Ate. A-T-E. Ate. Number 2, kill. Kill. So, answer is killed. Killed. K-I-L-L-E-D. Killed. K-I-L-L-E-D. Killed. Number 3, go. G-O, go. So, what is the past form of go? That is went. Went. W-E-N-T. Went. W-E-N-T. Went. Come. Come. So, past form is came. C-A-M-E. Came. C-A-M-E. Came. See. S-E-E-C. So, what is the past form? So. So. S-A-W. So. S-A-W. So. Move. Move. So, what is the past form for move? That is M-O-V-E-D. Moved. M-O-V-E-D. Moved. Visit. Visit. Visited. V-I-S-I-T-E-D. Visited. Visited. Ask. Ask. So, past form for the ask is asked. Asked. A-S-K-E-D. Asked. A-S-K-E-D. Asked. Get. G-E-T. Get. So, what is the past form for get? That is got. G-O-T. Got. G-O-T. Got. Now, number 10. Fall. F-A-L-L. Fall. So, what is the past form for fall? That is fell. F-E-L-L. Fell. So, now I am repeating all the past forms. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. So, answer is A-T-E. At. A-T-E. At. Kill. Killed. K-I-L-L-E-D. Killed. K-I-L-L-E-D. Killed. Go. Went. W-E-N-T. Went. W-E-N-T, went. Come, came. C-A-M-E, came. C-A-M-E, came. See, saw. S-A-W, saw. S-A-W, saw. Move, moved. M-O-V-E-D, moved. M-O-V-E-D, moved. Visit, visited. Visited. V-I-S-I-T-E-D, visited. V-I-S-I-T-E-D, visited. Ask, asked. A-S-K-E-D, asked. A-S-K-E-D, asked. Get, got. G-O-T, got. Fall, F-A-L-L, fall. F-E-L-L, fell. Okay. Now let's see next question. That is question number 3. Question number 3, that is use a, an and the before correct words. A, an and the before correct words. Now my dear students, tell me where we can use a, an or the. Do you remember? This thing you are studying from the UKG. So do you remember how to put a, an or the? Yes. Words which started with vowel. Words which starts with vowel. That is A, E, I, O, U. Words which are started with vowels A, E, I, O, U. So before that we put N. The fact, the reality. Before that we are putting the. And all other words before that we are using A. So here owl starts with vowel O. So we will write N. An owl. An owl. The sun. The sun. An hour. An hour. Why we are using an here? Because the word starts with consonant letter H. So we should put A here. But why we are writing an? We are writing an because pronunciation begins with O. Hour. Right? It doesn't pronounce like hover. It's pronounced like hour. So pronunciation begins with O. That's why we are using an. An hour. Okay. Then the next word is here incident. Incident. So what we'll write here? An. An incident. Because the word begins with vowel I. The word begins with vowel I. Incident. An American. An American. The word begins with vowel A. The word begins with vowel A. Then the mobile. A mobile. A mobile. The word begins with consonant M. The trees. The trees. a children, a children, a student, a student. Okay. So my dear students, today we will do till here only. So let's revise whatever we have learned today. Today we have solved total 3 questions. Today we have solved total 3 questions that are: number 1, filling the blanks with collective nouns. So I am repeating all the questions. Okay. Question 1, filling the blanks with collective nouns. So number 1, I have a good collection of coins. Number 2, the army of soldiers and commander. Number 3, the team was very happy on their victory. Number 4, this class consists of 36 students. Number 5, my mother bought a bunch of grapes. Then question number 2, write the past tense form of the following verbs. So here you have to write the past tense: eat, ate, kill, killed, go, went, come, came, see, saw, move, moved, visit, visited, ask, asked, get, got, fall, fell. Now question number 3, use a and the before correct words. An owl, an owl. The sun, the sun. An hour, an hour. Now an incident, an incident. An American, an American. A mobile, a mobile. The trees, the trees. A children, a student. So my dear students, today we will do till here only. We will meet in the next session with the leftover topics of this bridge course assignment. Okay? So, till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.